So this is a DJI Mini 2, which was launched previous year on November something, in the middle of 28, I guess. So last year, previous year, in the sense 2020. So okay, they provide a bag. Okay. Nothing else much more. Let's start with here. Okay, so this is the back, and this smooth and it's as DJI out here, and this is a nylon back, by the way. So before I open up these things and everything, don't forget to watch this video till the end. And in the end of the video, I'm gonna show some footages of this drone. Okay, guys. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's somewhere else here or here, I don't know, but it will be here somewhere out there. Okay, so that's the video. Boom. So okay, so ये क्या है पता नहीं, अभी ये खुला के देखिएगा. अच्छा, सिर्फ ये तो सिर्फ मैनुअल का चीज़ है, मैनुअल इंस्ट्रक्शन का चीज़ है. So I'll keep these things on the side. It's not much necessary. It's necessary, but not at this moment. So this is a charging cable, something like that, I think. This is a C-type cable. Okay. So the side for the moment. Let's see what else we got here inside. Okay, there's no picture inside. And this is a charging hub. We call it charging hub. This is just DJI. We can charge our phones as well, because here you got a USB port. You can see out here you got a USB port, and we can charge it here, and we can charge this thing to C-type cable, you know. And we got extra 2 batteries in this combo, you know. One is inside the drone, but these 2 are extra because it's a combo pack, you know. So other than that, not that much, so I'll give you on the side. So that's all. And these things look like a chewing gum. So okay, so this is propellers. इसको propellers बोलता है ना, ठीक है. ये propellers बोलता है इसको. इसमें कितना propellers को provide करते हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 propellers लोग 6 propellers they provided in this combo pack. But why, you know, if something goes wrong to your drone, to the propellers, you can use these things. Inside the 2 pieces there again, so that's really good, you know, because for these things you need 6, yeah, I think 6 is there for the drone, you know. So inside even the screws are also there, so that's all. कोई तो नहीं जानता है क्या है propellers. इसको होता है propellers जो drone में नहीं होता है ना. ये इसको बोलते हैं propellers, समझ गए? So it's called propellers. ये भी हम समझ. So इसके बाद ये क्या है? ये क्या है? देखते हैं तो इतना छोटा मगर बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, ठीक है? क्योंकि इसके बिना ये ड्रोन को यूज़ नहीं करना है सकता. अभी तो है मगर वो गुम जाने से यूज़ नहीं कर सकता. इसके लिए वो लोग ने एक्स्ट्रा चीज़ ये दिया, इसको बोलते हैं जॉयस्टिक. बस में खेलता है तो वो जॉयस्टिक उसका तरह भी ये भी होता है, ठीक है? उसके बाद अभी एक्स्ट्रा ये 2 चीज़ दिया इसको. सो इट्स रियली नाइस, एंड दे पुट इन अ कवर फॉर प्रॉब्लम्स एंड कीप ऑन द साइड. And they provide what kind of is that? It's kind of a small screwdriver, maybe for opening and for closing up the screws. Screwdriver, it's nice. Small pin. It will go inside to the drone or something like that, and we can open it up. So it's perfect. Small size. And let's get okay. So now we're gonna talk about RC. So this is RC, remote control or start from RC. Fine. So below this thing there are 2 joysticks, as I mentioned before. They provided the extra. So okay, let's open it up. it's a little bit tight because it's new one. So here, right? So take this thing and अभी इसको अंदर में ऐसे दबा के रखो, screw की तरह. So it's very easy, you know. Oops, it's not going inside. Okay, see, so here. So देखने से तो 5 मिनट में आगे क्या होता है, कौन करता है ऐसा दिखता है ना. अभी देख इतना मास है, वेट भी इतना ज़्यादा नहीं, थोड़ा हेवी है क्योंकि अंदर में बैटरी है ना, इसके लिए इसको भी चार्ज करके यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, बस looking so nice, you know. A little bit tight. Yeah, fine. So I'll keep you on the side row. That's all they provided. And the final one is a drone. Look at the size. It's ultra fucking light, you know. And what they provided here, let's see what else. क्या है चीज़ है ये? अच्छा, इसको बोलते हैं स्ट्रीट. खुला के आगे खुल रहा है, बस इसको थोड़ा ये इसे दबाना है, इसे खुल रहा है बस. ये 249 ग्राम, सिर्फ 249 ग्राम. अभी ठीक है, उसको भी खुला के देखिएगा. अभी पहले क्या खुलना है? अच्छा, ये वाला जो पहले से है. So we need to take out these things first like this. And अभी जो नीचे में है उसको नीचे में बस ऐसे धीरे करके दबाना है. इसके लिए प्रोपेलर्स को अच्छे से रखना, क्योंकि ये टूटेगा तो चिंता मत करो. है तो है, एक्स्ट्रा लुक में दिया था, मैंने बोला था ना. बस उसके बाद अभी ये है ना, उसको भी ऐसा करो. आफ्टर इसको नीचे तक ऐसे डालो. So that's all. So it looks so nice, right? It's written as DJI, and here is DJI Mini 2, and here it's written as 249 gram, just ultra light, guys. So बैटरी पीछे में है. So उसको कैसे बोलता है? अच्छा, इसको ऐसे दबाना. So see, it's very easy. So it's a battery, as I've seen. I mean, I've shown there in the power hub. So nothing much. And the sound comes when it's closed, to remember that. So this is the main camera. So let's open up and I'll show you guys. Boom. I thought it's back. No, it's just a sound. Whatever, I think I'm doing it correct, by the way. So उसके बाद देखो अभी यहाँ पे अभी 4K ऐसा लिखा है, क्योंकि ये 4K है. 30 Mbps, 30 frames per second. Got it. So we can shoot in 1080p, whatever it may be, but the highest one is 4K, you know. So ये gimbal है, यहाँ पे camera है. So this looks so perfect, you know, the weight and all the camera. So don't worry, guys, I'll show you the footage. So that's all. I'm gonna cover it up. That's all. So I'll keep it on the side. That's all. It is an official website. It's there, official page. The name I'll link in the description. So the name of this AirTech, AIRYTEK. So it's an AirTech. I'll give you the description. I mean, we have the website in the description below. Okay, I'll give the link. So you just click that, and you can find out. There are a lot of combos are there. You can get Mavic Mini also out there, and a lot of some kind of action cameras as well. So that's all. Right? You can connect him through Facebook, or you can connect him through Instagram. You can connect through WhatsApp itself, because in the page itself you can see the number, and you can just message, send like that. I message them, and I got them. So that's all, folks.